Hey YouTube, Sam here. I know it's been a while since I did any scrapping stuff, but I'm kind of going through my garage and I just found a few things that I'm going to go ahead and tear apart for you. Nothing special, it's just kind of a what's inside type scrapping videos more than anything. But anyhow, I thought I'd throw this one out here for you. Like I said, it's been a while. Honestly, scrap prices, I haven't even looked at them for a while. It's they went down so much there for a while, it just wasn't worth doing. I was still, scrapping the things that I had, and that kind of stuff. And I actually have a truckload of stuff that I need to tear apart still. And so hopefully I'll have some scrapping videos coming up. So don't be completely disheartened that I have quit scrapping altogether. I have just had too many other projects going on. You can go check out things, but I've had issues with the state that I live in, and I had to do quite a few things just to kind of make them happy, for lack of a better way of saying it. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and scrap this for you. I hope you all enjoy. A bit of a scrapping video here. I was hoping I could fix these, and quite honestly, they're probably close to 20 years old, and they're way past their prime. I've taped these all up, and they just finally just started blowing out the bulbs every time you stuck them in there. Not to mention they're old hot lamps. But if you ever wondered what's inside or what you can get out of these for scrapping, we're about to find out. So I already kind of started pulling this one apart, so I'm going to start pulling these apart. If I come by anything that seems necessary to film, I'll film it. Otherwise, as a lot of my scrapping videos, I'll just kind of pull them apart and you can see what's inside. Well, is one of these worth tearing apart? I got one more here, but I'm still kind of counting the wire. Obviously, you'd pretty much just get the plug-in up to here, pretty much, if you only had one of these, but I have two, so, and haven't torn that one apart yet, so this is a little more wire than you might get. There's a couple smaller pieces of wire. This is a working switch, some why can't I? Acorn nuts. That's just all plastic garbage pretty much there. I guess you could keep this for something if you really had a need for it. These are some pretty nice knobs there, and then we got a few little odds and ends of hardware here. Wing nut, kind of a cool threaded thing here. I'm sure I could find a use for. Then you got your just metal. Now there is a couple pieces of brass in there I could get if I want to tear it apart a little bit more, but most of that's just kind of a few things that are metal. Then you got your cast aluminum, which is pretty much just the whole body, and a little bit of sheet aluminum there as well. So is it worth tearing apart? Honestly, I don't know. I think so, because I had it and it's not working for me. Might as well take the couple minutes to tear it apart. Alright, well, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.